Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to continue from exercise C, page number 94. It's our lesson, the road not taken. Come to the page number 94. We are going to read about subject and predicate. You already know there are two main parts of a sentence, a subject and predicate. The subject is a thing or person we are talking about. For example, I am teaching. Here I is the subject and the rest of the part which tell us about the subject is the predicate. For example, I was the subject, so am teaching will be the predicate. Now let's move towards the exercise C1. Write suitable subjects before each of these predicates. A. Dash caught the thief red-handed. You have to choose your own predicate. I have written the villagers. You can write anything, the villagers, the police, my father. You can write any subject. B. Dash cleaned the dirty floor. I have written Cinderella. Cinderella cleaned the dirty floor. The next is Dash was willing to take the bull by the horns. I have written the brave boy. D. Dash had to find another job. I have written the dismissed employee had to find another job. Now let's move towards the next exercise that will be related to infinitives. Let's read the information that has been given here. Look at the following sentences. I want to climb the mountain. She wants to swim in the lake. He wanted to go to Agra last year. I shall want to see a lot of films on television. In each sentence, the infinitive is underlined twice. The infinitives are to swim, to climb, to go, to see. These are the infinitives. The verbs underlined ones are called finite verbs. Here want, wants, wanted and shall want are the finite verbs. You will notice that the finite verbs change. Here it was want, here is wants, here wanted and here shall want. They may change. For example, I want, she wants, he wanted or I shall want. Here finite verbs are changing. The infinitives on the other hand do not change. They always remain the same. For example, to swim, to see, to climb, to go. The finite verbs are simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. For example, here want, here is present simple. She wants, here wants is also simple present. Here wanted, it is simple past and shall want, here it is simple future. Now let's move towards exercise C2. Write the infinitives in the following sentence. You have to mark which are the infinitives here. A. Shoaib and Nadir decided to go on a picnic. Here to go is infinitive. B. They asked their mother to give them some food. Here to give is infinitive. They told her they wanted to swim in the river. Here our infinitive is to swim. The last sentence is I don't want you to catch cold. She said. Here our infinitive is to catch. Come to page number 95. Exercise number 3. Rewrite these sentences. Use an infinitive instead of the underlined words. Instead of the underlined words, you have to write an infinitive. A. She wants a sleep in the afternoons. Here we will write an infinitive, that is she wants to sleep. To sleep. The next is the dog was overjoyed at the sight of his master. Here at the sight of, it will be replaced by the infinitive. It will become the dog was overjoyed to see his master. C. Maya asked if she could borrow some sugar. Here we have to add infinitive. Maya asked to borrow. To borrow. B-O-R-R-O-W. To borrow some sugar. D. The children laughed when they saw the tricks of the monkey. Here let's add an infinitive. The children laughed to see. After to we use first form of verb. We will not write saw. We will write see. To see the tricks of the monkey. E. Sheila was told that she must come home early. Let's add an infinitive. Sheila was told to come home early. Our exercise on book has completed. Now come towards workbook. It's page number 62. Again we are going to do exercises related to infinitives. It is very easy to recognize an infinitive in a sentence because the word to usually comes before it. Exercise 1. Underline the infinitives in the following sentences. The children tried to play hockey. Here our infinitive is to play. B. The man wanted to know the time. Here infinitive is to know. Underline it. C. Feroza wishes to send her brother a letter. To send is our infinitive. D. Her mother asked her to give the dress away. Here to give is infinitive. The last one, Nasir let me play with his toys. Here play is infinitive. Here to has been skipped. Why? Let's read the rule about it. In the last sentence, the verb play is an infinitive, but it does not have the word to before it. Here, to has been skipped. When an infinitive comes after some verbs, it does not have to before it. Here are some words. When we write these words, after that, to will be skipped from an infinitive. The words are have, hear, let, make, see, watch. Here let was used. Here was let. So here let was used. That's why they have skipped to. We also do not use to for infinitives when they follow. Here are some more words. Will, shall, can, dare, need. When these words will be used, then we will again skip to from the infinitive. For example, we do not say. This sentence will be wrong. Let's read it. The mother let the child to play. It is wrong. Here let has been used, so we have to skip to. The correct sentence will be the mother let the child play. This is the correct sentence. Let's revise these words again, that whenever we will use these verbs, then to from the infinitive will be removed. These are have, hear, let, make, see, watch, will, shall, can, dare, need. Now let's move towards the next page. The next exercise is mark the following sentences, tick or cross. A. The man let his daughter to run in the park. Here let has been used, so we have to remove to. So this sentence is wrong. Mark cross. She saw the boy climb the tree. Here saw. So the to has been removed from the infinitive, so it is correct. The next is they need not to wait for me. Here after need we have to skip to, so this sentence is wrong. D. We made the dog to perform some tricks. Here again this is wrong because we have to skip to after made. It is wrong. The last one, I did not hear the boy say anything. This is correct. After here to has been removed from the infinitive. The next exercise is correct the sentences which are wrong in the exercise A2. Rewrite them in your notebook. Here this is your homework. You have to write these sentences, sentence number A, C and D, and you have to write by removing the word to from the infinitives. So the first sentence will be, the man let his daughter run in the park. The C sentence will be, they need not wait for me. And the D will be, we made the dog perform some tricks. You have to solve this exercise on your notebook. I hope you have understood. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.